comments with you.
Well, good afternoon and happy Friday. Hope everyone has had a very nice day. It's been quiet for us. We're seeing lots of sunshine across the region yet again today, but unseasonably warm conditions. And you will notice an increase of humidity for your Friday as well. That's all coming in ahead of our next weather maker that's going to bring us some changes for the weekend, especially for the second half of the weekend. But blue skies and full sunshine overlooking our live iCam over Pearl right now. Temperatures in the low 90s with dew points in the 60s. So winds are coming in from the south at about 9 to 10 miles per hour, gusting a little bit higher. We're already feeling that moisture start to increase and build in, but temperatures are not feeling seasonal whatsoever. 92 in Rolling Fork, 90 in Carthage, 88 in Raleigh, Tylertown, Meadville, 87 for folks in Laurel. So hopefully you started the day prepared with maybe a short sleeve t-shirt, anything dressing for this weather, though. Expecting some changes as we head into the weekend. Before that, though, a very similar day for your Friday, just like we saw yesterday. We actually set a new record high on Thursday. I forgot what day it was yesterday. Thursday afternoon, we broke our old record of 91. We warmed up to 92 in Jackson, so I do think we will get close to that, but likely not breaking record highs today. Look what happens over the weekend. Saturday night into Sunday is our next best chance of rain. It's coming in with a cold front that will be a potent cold front with a line of storms associated with it, and some of those storms could be strong to severe. The one thing is for certain, we're going to get some rain and some loud thunderstorms, but the possibility is that some of those, isolated in nature, could reach severe limits. Well, we want to go ahead and make you aware of that timing and those exact threats. So timing you out through the rest of your week into Friday, it's going to be gorgeous. Friday night football, clear skies, and humidity will be on the increase. But Saturday, we start off dry and warm. Temperatures will start to warm back into the upper 80s for the afternoon. Rain and storms should hold off until late Saturday night. So here's 5:30, 6 o'clock. We could see one or two very rogue thunderstorms out ahead of the main line of storms. Most of us, again, staying dry until that window of opportunity with storms rolling in. That starts at about 8 p.m. and on your Saturday night, and mainly for our Delta counties. I think the better ingredients will be to our north and west, but we still have at least some risk. Here's a look at 10:30, starting to see the leading line of storms, the leading edge of that cold front pushing into our Delta counties. Some heavy rainfall, some loud rumbles of thunder, and also some gusty winds of about 60 miles per hour. It's not out of the question. Keep in mind that gusty winds could still knock down trees, power lines, and also could blow around some limbs, so that could be dangerous for some folks. As we head into the midnight hour, we start to see that line approaching the metro and moving south and east. One thing is good, this system is moving in and out very quickly. It's going to dump some heavy rainfall on us, and it's also going to pose a risk for some strong to severe storms. So make sure before you head to bed Saturday night that you have your alerts on, your ringer on loud, and you're downloading or have already downloaded our WJTV weather app. You'll get those notifications there, and of course always good to have a NOAA weather radio. If you want to be extra prepared, make sure you have multiple ways to get warnings. Again, this will be isolated. The threat is fairly low, but it also moves out of here by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Sunday morning by sunrise, we should be dry. Notice that frontal system is pushing out of the Pine Belt by 7 a.m. We'll see clouds begin to clear by midday, and temperatures will feel a lot more seasonal in the upper 70s by Sunday. So some positive news with behind the front. Some cool fall air is going to move in, but we do have to get through some wet and stormy conditions over the weekend, overnight Saturday into early Sunday. Again, all modes of severe weather are possible. That means damaging winds, small hail, and yes, a quick spin up tornado. That can never be entirely ruled out with these systems. coming through in the fall months. It's something we do see, but this will be more isolated. It's a low-end risk. Most of us under a marginal 1 out of 5 risk from Attala County down to parts of southern Warren County and south and east of there. Now, the higher threat area is under a slight 2 out of 5 risk. That includes majority of Yazoo County, Holmes County, as well as Humphrey, Sharkey, Issaquah, and northern parts of Warren County. A rough look at the timing here for you. 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. from the Jackson Metro points north and west as well, and midnight to about sunrise for everyone south and east of the Metro. One thing for certain, it's going to bring us a good bit of much needed rainfall. Many of us will pick up an inch of rain, but locally heavier amounts will be possible. Some people could get close to 2 inches of rainfall. That's not the only change we're tracking. A mainly dry cold front comes through the beginning part of next week, and that's going to keep our temperatures nice and seasonal all week long. Some days we may not even make it out of the middle and upper 70s. So if you've been hoping and waiting for the fall air, just wait a couple more days, because it's definitely on its way. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast as we head into Friday afternoon, or the rest of Friday afternoon. It's going to be a hot one, toasty out there, especially in the sun. Overnight dropping into the mid 60s, and our chance of rain, again, keep in mind, it's not throughout the day on Saturday or Sunday. This happens late Saturday night into early Sunday morning, so that weather aware banner is up in between Saturday and Sunday. Make sure you're staying prepared and you have that plan ready to go before you go to bed Saturday night. Temperatures will warm to the upper 70s only by Monday and Tuesday. Overnight lows will be back in the middle 50s, so cool, crisp mornings are in store next week, and most of us will be dry next week as well. One more thing about the severe weather potential, keep in mind that we're still a couple days or 1 day out now, but the timing could slightly change between now and Saturday night, so make sure you're checking back with Storm Team 12 for all the latest update as we continue to monitor the system that is going to be approaching, and yes, bringing us some fall-like air. So I hope you have a great weekend, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys